So Nabila, these are the live visuals of Meetu Singh reaching the DRDO office. She will be recording a statement on the allegations by Riya Chakravarti about the mental health issues, and also why it is going to be important, because Meetu Singh is a person who arrived at the crime scene when Sushant Singh Rajput died. So of course this is going to be important, and also there is a high possibility that all the four persons, Dipesh Sawant, Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj and Keshav, they have given their statement. But there might be a possibility, according to CBI, that all four of them are saying the same story, but Meetu Singh might have some different story. And if there is a contradiction between the statement given by all four people and Meetu Singh, then this is going to be a huge development in the case. Again, I would like to request my camera person to show you the visuals. This is the DRDO office, and from now on, Meetu Singh will be recording a statement with the Central Bureau of Investigation officers, and CBI would like to question on all the aspects, not only the health issues but also on the allegations that a family was not aware of it and what exactly happened on 14th. Meetu is also important because she was the one who, according to CBI, was staying with Sushant Singh Rajput from June 8 to June 12, 2 days before Sushant Singh Rajput died. She left. So also CBI wants to understand is that what was the reaction, behavior of the staffers, because if there is any conspiracy, then they are aware of it, and this is why Meetu Singh's statement is going to be of a huge importance to the Central Bureau of Investigation, and we will be updating all the viewers of India Today that what exactly is going to happen. Every second we will be updating you that what exactly Meetu Singh is telling Central Bureau of Investigation and what are the contradictions between Siddharth Pitani's statements and the statement which will be recorded now by CBI of Meetu Singh. Nabila.
Right, Manish, this is just one of the family members. The first one, in fact, Meetu Singh has arrived right at Sushant's house as she was summoned by the CBI. Any more summons going out to other family members, considering Priyanka, the other sister? A lot of WhatsApp messages have now surfaced of Priyanka, Sushant's sister, being very well in the know of Sushant's mental health condition. She's also prescribing him some medication to take, anxiety pills, depression pills. Even without Sushant consulting a doctor, she brings a prescription and sends it to him by phone on WhatsApp text. And these conversations have also now surfaced. What more do we know of the CBI summoning Priyanka with this regard next?
Yeah, well, Nabila, remember earlier also the CBI has recorded one statement of KK Singh, father of Sushant Singh Rajput, and Priyanka Singh, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput. But after recording this statement, CBI started their investigation, but there are many things which have come up during the 15 days of investigation. First of all, Riya Chakravarti's allegations against the family that Sushant Singh Rajput was never close to the family. However, there were videos which were sent by the family of Sushant Singh Rajput saying that all the allegations are baseless. Apart from that, the mental health issue is something which the CBI is taking very seriously at this point of time. And why seriously? Because mental health issue is something which is very important in any abatement of suicide case. Also, they will be asking questions about Riya Chakravarti, because Riya Chakravarti, in the interview to India Today, she said that Sushant Singh Rajput was close to her, but Sushant Singh Rajput was not close to his own family. Also, Riya Chakravarti goes on to say that Priyanka Singh is the person who molested her in April 2019, and also that she was not in good terms with the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput because there were many issues between them. So they will be asking all the questions to Priyanka Singh, KK Singh and the other sister Meetu Singh. But today is going to be important because Meetu Singh has already arrived here. And once again, I would like to show you the visuals of the DRDO office where the CBI has already started recording the statement of Meetu Singh. And Meetu Singh, remember, is also a complainant. She is a sister of the person who died, and her allegations are going to be almost like evidence for the CBI, because CBI will be probing on those allegations. Meetu Singh will be asked about the mental health issues, asked about Riya Chakravarti, Shavik Chakravarti, about the allegations that Sushant Singh Rajput was also consuming drugs. But most important, what happened between Meetu Singh and Sushant Singh Rajput between June 8 to June 12 and what happened on June 14 when she arrived, whether she was the one who instructed Siddharth Pithani to cut the clothes from which Sushant Singh Rajput was allegedly hanging. This is going to be certainly very important because Meetu Singh in her statement to Mumbai police never claimed that she was the one who gave instructions, but according to Siddharth Pithani, Meetu Singh was the person who instructed him to bring the body down. So this is going to be something which may change the course of the entire investigation. And after the family's allegations that this might be a case of murder, CBI has again started looking into all the aspects. The Cooper Hospital doctors will also be questioned by the AIIMS doctors who have just arrived in Mumbai.
Munish, do stay with us. Thank you very much for bringing us every detail of that. Munish.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.